addition to my favorite morning smoothies and fruit-infused waters, I have also added another wellness-promoting drink to my self-care routine, homemade juice. Today's video will discuss 3 juices that promote amazing skin. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here are 3 easy recipes you can try at home, each one addressing a different skin issues. All you need is a juicer or blender. Instructions: wash all veggies and fruits except for citrus fruits. Leave the skin on if the fruit is organic. The lightly peel or washed with fruit and veggies. Wash to remove pesticide if it's not organic. Add all ingredients to a juicer. When ready, pour your juice over ice or drink it at room temperature. Add a natural sweetener to taste. Number 1. To tone: 2 beets peeled and watered, 8 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 long piece of burdock root scrubbed or peeled, half cup of loosely packed parsley, 1 cup loosely packed spinach. Number 2. To moisturize: 1 cucumber, 1 apple, 1 teaspoon ginger, half lemon, half cup celery. Number 3. To combat signs of aging: 2 oranges, 1 cup grapefruit, half lemon, half lime. Have you ever tried this easy recipe at your home? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.